Having trouble staying lit. Oh shit, there it goes! What's gonna happen?
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's Fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
Ready, set, we're feeling the energy go. What's up, everybody? It's Christmas time. You know what that means here in Bachelor Nation. It means another Do Not Try This at Home episode. Today we have a gingerbread house, and we have some remnants from the 4th of July. Together, we are making a gingerbread house fire. It's about to go down. Alright, Jeanette's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them what we're going to do today, Jeanette.
He's gonna blow up a gingerbread house.
We're going to make a very unsafe gingerbread house. So we won't be needing these instructions. Okay. We thought we were going to be building a house.
Yeah.
Turns out we're just decorating a house. But we need to get fireworks in here somehow. So I think if you carefully hold the house, and let's get the GoPro going so that everyone can see. I pull back on this base. Hopefully we'll have a cavity where we can jam some fireworks.
You got it. You got it.
Alright. Awesome! Holy butts. Okay, check it out. What's that? That's a firework hole. House over there.
Okay.
Open some festival balls. Alright, that's getting gross. 6 festival balls. We're gonna glue these bastards down. Tight like a tiger.
Mm-hmm.
We got no-sew fabric glue. And we got Jewel It. You know, things that a bachelor needs. While we let this dry, let's work on a chimney. What do you say?
Mm-hmm.
We broke it!
That's not bad.
You ready to power through some decorating?
Let's do it.
Alright, we're gonna let our base dry. Let's see what we got here.
I always watch out. I can't help but cry. I'm gonna go pout, and I'm telling you why. Santa Claus ain't coming to Mars. Santa Claus ain't coming to Mars. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus ain't coming. Santa Claus ain't coming to Mars. We're not on his list. We don't even have ice. What's it matter who's naughty or nice? We work on hydroponics, live in a biosphere, keep the generator fueled, just so we don't die out here. So why don't you watch out? I need a good cry. I am sorry to shout, but I am telling you why. Santa Claus ain't coming to Mars. No?
These are M98s, which makes them 18 better than M80s. Alright everyone, get a good night's sleep because Santa Claus comes tonight. So we're out here at Dave's place. Thank you, Dave.
No problem.
We were gonna do this in my little suburban heaven, but Jeanette pointed out, you know, what about the cops? I think that was a good call. You might remember Dave from the Nacho video.
Hello. I like that the snow's here to keep us nice and safe.
Dave did bring a fire extinguisher just in case. I didn't have one, so yeah, we're gonna set some fuses up, get some GoPros going, and make a gingerbread house fire. We want to guarantee a light. So that gingerbread nice and saturated. Okay, everybody hold on to your butts. Dave's smoking. Don't miss this because you're smoking, Dave. Having trouble staying lit. Oh shit, there it goes! What's gonna happen? Holy crap. That went.
I don't see any house.
That went way better than expected. That's what we call a gingerbread house fire. Yeah, Dave? Dave with the first bite.
It's a little charred.
Yeah? You taste the...
It's kind of like when you put your Pop-Tart in, but you only cook the one side in your toaster oven.
Yeah. I'll take a piece of that. Oh.
Yeah.
Tastes like the rotten egg sulfur smell from fireworks. Oh. Dave, that's awful. You oversold how good it is.